By 2030, over 20% of the US population will be age 65 or older. The demand for home care services is skyrocketing, creating a unique opportunity for passionate entrepreneurs like you. First, research your local market, understand the demographics, competition, and healthcare needs in your area. Then, create a solid business plan to guide your journey. Choose a legal structure, whether it's an LLC, sole proprietorship, or corporation, and obtain the necessary licenses and permits to ensure compliance. Build your dream team of compassionate caregivers. Train them to deliver exceptional care because your team will be the heart of your business. Personalized care is key. Work closely with clients to develop care plans tailored to their specific needs, whether it's daily assistance, companionship, or specialized medical care. Marketing makes the difference. Create a professional website, leverage social media, and build relationships with local healthcare providers to grow your referral network. Your home care business isn't just about financial success, it's about making a real difference in people's lives. Start your journey today and become a part of this growing industry. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe and follow us for more tips, insights, and updates. Your journey to success starts here. Stay connected, and let's grow together.